In this tutorial I'll show you how to make this effect in CapCut. So just add your background, crop it to like 10 seconds, then go to the effects and I choose the blur effect. Now go to the text, add new text, I'll make it to like 5 seconds and type your word here. I'll tap cache and I'll choose the monster art for it. Now just duplicate the layer and just type the C here. Make the compound clip, go to the compound clip and duplicate your layer. So the important thing is to be at the same X position, as you can see. You can do that by just holding the shift key at your keyboard and just duplicate your layers like this. Now add a keyframe at the start and add a keyframe, and at the start add a keyframe like this. So your text will be going from bottom to top. Now just duplicate this layer and make the letters to A in my case. The first keyframe will be at top and the second will be at the bottom. Now just copy the process for the other letters. So H will be like this, and now the S letter, but we want our last S to be the green color. So go to the compound clip, select the layer at the bottom of the page and make it green. Now you can just hide the original layer and go to the show variable speed animations and I'll choose the cubic out. Now copy this for the other letters as well. Now you can make some keyframes last longer and some last shorter, so it will look better. Now select all the clips and create a compound clip. Go to the mask, add new mask and add a film strip mask and you're done. Don't forget to like and subscribe.